Hey y'all, it's Fader Vengeance, and today I'm going to do my Christmas tree. Oh my god, you guys. So I thought I ordered one of those 3-part trees where you just stick the base on, then stick the middle, then stick the top. But it turns out I ordered one of the trees where you have to individually put the branches into the base. So I guess we'll see how this turns out. So that's about it, you guys. The last thing I'm going to do to this tree and to some of my decorations, I'm going to spray this bitter apple spray. I got this from the Urban Pet, and it's just a mixture of like pet safe bitter apple taste. And you can spray it on your tree, you can spray it on all of your decorations. So if you have 3 cats like me, or if you have any cats at all, or even dogs, you can just spray this on the tree, because you guys know cats love to attack the Christmas tree. and it will taste kind of weird to them and they'll stop chewing on it. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thank you. Bye. You don't like that bitter apple, do you? No. No, you don't. See? It works. I love you.